there's a few things happening right now where today we live in a world of multi-screens. So instead of just targeting one or two screens, main screen, the main television screen, we have to target devices, small devices, tablet, PCs, and so on. So this is a big shift, and you'll see a lot of actually companies proposing this kind of approach. What's unique about Envivio and what I think is really differentiating us in the industry and probably help solving the issue is everything we do is based on software. Because today, the speed at which things are evolving in application, in screens, and new devices coming up to market, you need to have a solution which is fast-paced and can be rapidly introduced and eventually change. So the fact that we do everything in software gives us enough flexibility, so we can adapt, we can change, give us very good quality as well, because today the performances you get as a standard platform are very good, so you can actually very high compression with standard software. That's why we're capable of doing high definition streams at very low bit rates, and we can target multiple devices at once. And so all this flexibility at the end is a good benefit for our customers because they can change, they can evolve, they can follow what's happening in the industry, and they are not stuck to one model. I think in the past, you say in the broadcast industry, some standard will come and will last for 5-10 years. No, it's actually much faster than that. So the fact that we do everything software really help our client and customers to adapt and then cope with the change in the industry. Yes, so here at NAB we're showing two main products. One is called Muse. Muse stands for multi-screen encoding. And so Muse is capable of encoding one format, one live channels into multiple formats. So we can target high definition TV for IPTV, we can target DVD satellite services, we can do cable services, but also we can address all the variety of screens, iPads, iPhones, any Android phones and so on. All of that is done from one single piece of software which runs on either on appliances or on HP Blade servers. That's one product. The other product is called Halo, and Halo is a slightly different product where this will be positioned inside the network of an operator, and it will help repackage the streams into the different formats. I think one of the difficulty and complexity today is if you want to address multi-screens, you have many different variations of the same videos, different ways of packaging, different ways of protecting. And so we're separating the function into Muse, which stands for transcoding, and Halo, which is taking care of all the packaging, all the protections, and will add features like ad assertion, content blockouts, and so on that will be required for an operator. So these are the two main products. And last, we have a management piece that sits on top of it that basically control and make sure that there's no problem, it's reliable, and we have managed redundancy between all elements. So these are the three cornerstones, I would say, of our solutions.
Thank you.